Hey guys, I'm back with another. This time it's gonna be New Jersey, as you see. I have another pack opening video to do. Alright, so let's get right into it. Let's see. I already got 3 unopened packs, as I mentioned to EA. They still haven't replied. Don't know EA, do you reply or not? But I cannot seem to be able to open my packs. No, not the gold ones, I hope. Just the bronze pack that I got. Like here they are, I'll just show you. I've got 8 packs, actually 9 packs in total right now. Alright, let's see. As you can see, those ones I cannot open. Hope I can open these. Yes, I can. Which is great stuff. Okay, let's go. It's the... Right. Yeah, Niskanen, not really anything. Or Niskanen. Niskanen, what the... Or pick. Niskanen. Okay, yeah, always handful. Always useful. Let's go. Show you guys at the end what happens when I press on those packs. On these, any of these 3. Anyway, let's go. Let's go. What? No. I really hope that was a Giroux. Giroux, but not. Never. Wow, I've got 315 items in my collection. Holy shit. Wow, Cal Clutterbuck. Okay, second pack. 4 more to go. Wow, New Jersey gives a lot of packs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, go on 13, let's go, close eyes. Holy shit, Jerome McGinley, wow, he's going on my row. Oh my god, or pick, again, picky or, oh my god. Why? Just why? Why? Tell me why. Why like Horpick? Seriously. I think I already have an assistant captain. Other one. Oh wow, I have three of these. I'm gonna sell them. Fuck it, ah shit, leg injury. Should I kept that? Wow, you can get mixed up. I still got 6 packs, but when I click on those, can't really. Well, I pull a Jerome again. I think I'm gonna be able to make my team out from hopefully the players that I've got, and wow, great stuff. Some in-depth, very depth players which are going to my roster. Should have sent gorgeous to apply consumable to who? To who? Wow, nobody. Besides Bogosian. Okay. Oh, nah. Can't afford to keep all these. 2 more packs. Wow. Now let's go with a Perry. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hopefully Perry gives us someone good. Someone like that pack with Eric Carlson. Hopefully. Oh, nice. Oh, nah. Yes. Now that's what I'm talking about. All these players, thank you for free. Nice. Don't even need to spend any money on them. Very good. Nice. Okay, Bolduc, you'll be able to be replaced by Sam Gagner. Thank you. Okay, nothing there. Let's all this stuff. Hopefully the last pack is some in-depth players. Some, at least one. Come on, at least 185 plus. Hopefully. Oh! Shit! Holy, wow. Take them any day, anytime. Shifley? I already have him. Fuck. Okay, don't have. Wow. Well, great team already, just from free packs. And watch out, guys, what happens when I go on to any of these packs. Oh, what? Whoa, they work. Whoa, what? Oh, they work. Never mind. Okay, anyway, so let's then just see what we get. Oh, come on. There's duration. I don't know. Might take it. But I'm putting a 15 duration on Carlson anyway. So, won't be needing. Alright, Sam Gagner. You got it. Ukraine? Oh, nice. I'll take that anytime. Goalie +2 all. Nah, can't keep it. Yeah, this ends up being a bronze pack opening as well. I never thought they were gonna work for a while. They disconnected me from the EA server. Like this. Exactly like that. Seriously, I don't get what's going on. Yeah, no, I need to connect to the servers. This is bloody torture, being able to open one pack in the whole flipping day. Like that. Let's see. I'll actually do a quick team update as well. Let's see how we got. Did we get any good left wings as far as I know? No, we didn't. We only got. Right, I don't think I'm gonna be keeping Campbell. I mean, let's see. Okay, anyway, word check is going there right away. Sam Gagner, Bolduc for Lusty, Simmons there. Yeah, pretty decent. You know, this guy's better. Grinder, playmaker, sniper, shit. And a grinder. One more grinder. Really need one more grinder. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do. Carlson. Yep. Yeah, there we go. No. This guy needs to be there. Two-way forwards. An RD. Two-way. Offensive. Crap! Okay, guys. This is just my lineup. My opinion, I think that Campbell anytime over Enstrom, because it's just Campbell. He's great with hands and stuff. Same with Enstrom, but Enstrom not as good. Tried him myself. Alright, let's see what we can add new from the players. Iggy. Higgy anytime over there. Power forward. Yep. Clarkson. There. Let's see what else we got. Okay, that's defensive. Swap him out for Gorges. Shit. 280? Nah. Gotta put Coburn in there. Actually, not really. Sorry, Coburn, you have to go. Boychuk. Ooh, he's definitely a good player. Yeah, that'll improve the lines. Let's see. Crap. Wow, nothing really major. Left wings, any good left wings? No. Any good centers? Oh yeah, we definitely do. Yeah, this is great. Vermette. Personally, I've got no idea. Probably gonna put Vermette in here. Sorry, Lusty, for going on my fourth line. Not good enough. No, Bukestad actually. Bukestad can go in there. Hopefully he shoots left. Fuck. Lusty. Shifley. Right. Oh. How many of these are right-handed? Boom Jenner. Almost identical. Except Boone Jenner is better. So, Boone Jenner. Yeah. So, yeah, this is pretty much my team right now. They're all free players. Like, I got them in the collection packs. Oh, yeah. This is probably the best free collection pack. Paul Carlson and Jimmy Howard. Jimmy Howard's my best pull, along with Halap too, actually. So, right now, this is just my team. I could have had a better one, but nope. I'm just gonna go with the free item team. I might be collecting actually for Florida next. So, see you guys soon. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Do whatever you want. Dislike if you want. I don't really care. The dislikers, I don't really care if you dislike or not. Doesn't matter to me. Think of it as a like. So, anyway, guys, see you guys soon.